Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need a verified Webull account and funds before placing live trades. Start by uploading your ID and completing form fields. This establishes identity and margin eligibility. Once verified, link your bank and initiate an ACH or wire transfer to fund the account. ACH usually clears in 1-3 business days. While waiting, create a watch list of 5-10 stocks and set default order types so you're ready. Doing this now prevents delays when you decide to send your first order. Now you construct the trade. Open the chart, choose a time frame matching your strategy, and add EMA and RSI to identify trend and momentum. These explain why price may continue or reverse. Draw trend lines and mark support/resistance to plan entries. Determine position size using a fixed risk % of your equity, then calculate stop-loss distance and set a limit entry. Practice identical steps in Webull's paper trading until your entries, exits, and sizing are consistent and repeatable. Execute the real trade carefully. Select market for immediacy or limit to control price, confirm quantity and duration, then send the order. Monitor the order fills and the position. Once the trade moves in your favor, move your stop to break-even and consider a trailing stop to lock profit. Close partial or full as planned. If an order fails or shows unfilled, check your network, available buying power, and the order status tab. Fix the root cause before retrying to avoid unintended duplicate trades.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.